What if the universe is looking back at you, not from above, not from beyond the stars, but through you? What if every galaxy, every atom, every flicker of light you see in the night sky isn't out there at all, but in here, inside your mind's reflection of existence itself? We spend our lives searching outward, building telescopes, machines, theories, all trying to decode the vastness. But maybe we were never meant to find the universe outside. Maybe it was always us. What if the universe isn't a place we live in, but a mirror that shows us what we are? Every star that burns in the night sky, every black hole that swallows light, every breath you take is part of the same reflection, a cosmic echo that repeats itself endlessly. You are made of the same atoms as the stars. You know that. But what if it's deeper than chemistry? What if the stars themselves are memories? Memories of a mind so vast it had to scatter itself across infinity just to feel alone. Maybe that's why the universe expands, not because it's growing apart, but because it's trying to remember itself. And maybe that's what you are doing too, when you stand beneath the stars at night and feel that strange ache, that pull you can't explain. What is it really? Loneliness? Wonder? Recognition? Could it be that you are not looking at the universe, but seeing yourself reflected on a scale beyond imagination? Imagine this: every heartbeat sends ripples through space-time. Every thought creates a small distortion, a tremor in the fabric of reality, and together, every consciousness forms the shape of existence itself. So maybe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning. Maybe it was the moment of realization, the instant the universe looked in the mirror and said, "I am." But how do you prove a reflection when you're inside it? How do you step outside your own mind to see what's real, when the mind is the lens that creates reality? For centuries, we've believed the universe to be objective, cold, vast, indifferent. But what if consciousness is not an accident inside the universe? What if the universe itself is conscious and we are its thoughts, each of us, a single flicker of awareness, dreaming the same dream from different angles? You, sitting here, listening to this, you are the observer, but the act of observing creates what you see. Light behaves differently when it's watched. Particles collapse into place the moment you look at them. So what happens when the universe looks at itself? Does it become real? What if this, all of this, is a reflection of consciousness staring back? What if black holes are not voids, but eyes of the cosmos, watching itself being born over and over again? Every galaxy, every atom, every thought, a ripple in one infinite mind. Maybe that's why we search the stars for meaning, not to find something else, but to find ourselves, scattered across time and light. Think about mirrors. They don't hold an image, they simply reflect one. But what happens when two mirrors face each other? An endless corridor, an infinite loop of reflections, stretching forever. Could that be the universe? An infinite reflection between matter and mind, light and darkness, question and answer. Maybe time itself is the echo between two cosmic mirrors, the universe on one side and human consciousness on the other. Every time you ask, "Who am I?" Every time you wonder, "Why am I here?" I'm wondering the same thing. The question ripples across the stars, and somewhere, in another corner of infinity, the universe whispers back. But there's a darker thought, isn't there? If the universe is our reflection, then everything we see, the beauty, the chaos, the violence, the love, is just a mirror of us. Every storm on Jupiter, every star that collapses, every war we fight here on Earth, it's all the same pattern, playing out at different scales, because reflections don't lie, they only show what is. So maybe the universe isn't cruel or kind, maybe it's honest, maybe it's showing us who we really are, so we can finally decide who we want to be. Think about the things that scare you: the void, unknown, the silence after death, What if those are not endings, but the parts of yourself you haven't yet met? When a star dies, it becomes light, and that light travels across billions of years until it touches your eyes. In that instant, that dead star exists again, reflected in your mind. You resurrect it by seeing it. So maybe death itself is an illusion of perspective. Maybe what we call the end is just the reflection turning over, a mirror flipping inside out, revealing another side of the same eternal face. If the universe is our reflection, then every act of kindness, every thought of love, ripples through space-time, bending reality itself. Maybe that's why love feels infinite, because it is. It's the universe recognizing itself in another form. When you look into someone's eyes and see something familiar, that quiet spark, that unspoken knowing, that's not coincidence. That's the reflection, aligning for a moment, two fragments of the same consciousness, remembering they were once whole. So what does it mean? If the universe is our reflection, it means the stars are not far away. They are your memories. Your heartbeat is their rhythm. Your dreams are their whispers. It means we are not small. We are not alone. We are the mirror the cosmos uses to see itself. And maybe, just maybe, that's the meaning we've been searching for all along. Every sunrise is the universe opening its eyes again. Every nightfall is it closing them to dream. And you are the dreamer and the dream, the observer and the observed, the question and the answer. So next time you look up at the night sky, don't ask, what's out there? Ask, what part of me is shining back? Because if the universe is our reflection, then every moment, every heartbeat, every breath of wonder you feel is the cosmos remembering its own name.